Hello, students in Library 10. This is Tony, your instructor, and we're on week 7, coming up with a research topic and doing background information before we start our real research and writing. So in the module, you saw that you can do a web search, you can use the library databases, you can also use Wikipedia to get a little background information on your topic. So I just at random chose a topic since I spent so much time in K-12 education on a subject that's been in the news, which is starting school later especially for teenagers, to improve their academic performance, and whether it is been shown to be effective, and if schools across the country are implementing later start times for teens. So I'm on Google, and I'm just going to do a quick Google search, and right here I can put in teen school start times and sleep, just see what comes up. So I go there, and I see that there are a number of popular articles, cites from the U.S. government, news sources, The Atlantic, and I'm just going to go to Time Magazine, take a look at this article because it probably gives me some general information. This is from 2022, and and I'm not going to spend a lot of time reading this with you, but I could peruse this. As I do that, I want to write down some key terms, concepts, vocabulary that might be specific to this topic. And I'm noticing some things that come up when I read this more carefully, like academic progress, circadian rhythms, the teen brain, all sorts of background terms that might help me. I can also go to Wikipedia, and I can see there's a Start School Later Movement article, and go through this as well. And I can pull out some keywords here. I see, again, circadian rhythms. I see health issues such as mood swings, depression, weight gain, standardized test scores, all kinds of terms I could use. And then just to be sure that once I start my research that I can get some information from scholarly sources and peer-reviewed journals, I'm going to go to Google Scholar real quickly, and I'm going to put in teen and then school start times and sleep, again, same terms, and just make sure that there are some scholarly articles. So I'm going to just do a quick check. I'm going to take this one right here. Effects of school start time and technology use on teenagers' sleep. Go to the site selection here, click on that, and then I see, okay, this is from a journal called Sleep and Biological Rhythms. Okay, something tells me that's a peer-reviewed journal. I might do one more, and I'm going to go to this one here, Delayed School Start Times in Adolescent Sleep, a systematic review of experimental evidence. Again, I go to the Cite tool. Okay, Sleep Medicine Review is the journal here. I'm pretty sure that these are all peer-reviewed scholarly journals. So again, keep in mind, you can carry out a Google search. You can look through Wikipedia, see if there's an article on your topic. You can use Google Scholar. You could go to the Cabrillo databases and check that out as well. And as you go through and do some background reading, you don't want to spend a lot of time on it, just as the module said, but you do want to jot down key terms, key concepts, and again, vocabulary and terminology that might be specific or really important for that particular topic. So I'm looking forward to finding out what your topics are and helping guide you through the process of researching those topics. Thank you.